Hi guys, as you know, I'm here again with my video, my gaming video. So here I play Mangahigh, which is a math game. So I'm just gonna open it right now. Open. So here you can see my leaderboard. You have seen my for my last videos. You may know my salmon. This is in my something. So this leaderboard, I'm not just started. Not just showing, I think there's a problem. Yeah, but I'm first, as you can see, and I play games here. That's fine. This is my list of games. Assign games. So I'm gonna play the assigned games. So let's do it. We have played ordering fractions and we have played prodigy. Ordering decimals, not ordering fractions. Now let's play fun. Function machine, squaring kids. So I know what is this. We're just gonna see the game. I don't want to tell you. We're just gonna see the game. So let's play. Borrow function. Let me just increase the one. This is the intro. This 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. So it will be. Does it change it at 5 to 10? So it goes according to the function. Now increase it. Let's just 7. Yeah? 8 plus 2 is 5. And 5 plus 2 is 7. And I was about 7 up there, but I just go. Let's go to 6. Now 5 plus 2. From the same block. Then medals according to what is the score. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. You don't have 5, so multiply. 2 to the 6, 6 now. So if you only get 3 in a row or more, then they get 3. Plus 2. That's simple. 30 plus 2, 22, which we don't have. So to multiply to 40 inside. So we can shoot it there. And 3 to the 6. Don't have 6. Let's do 5. 5 right there. And let's do 22. 40. And multiply to 20. 25. That's 20. 16 to the 32. So if you get like you just saw that three balls only have to just give that away because I hit the button, so I will just go. And to the 20 which will be 6. 6 we don't have. 5, yes. And 13 plus 2 15. 15 we don't have. It's not there. Okay. So 13 to the okay, I don't know what's it. 26. 26. 3 to the 6, we don't have 6. we do have brown. 20 plus 2, 22. We do have 22, but we do have brown. Oh my. That's about it. I just bounced back then. 26. Oh, 16 multiplied 2. 32. We don't have to. Yeah. 7. Let's put it up there. Oh my god. Oh, Sam. It'll grow if you do something. Done. Done. 12. Oh, 12. Then we'll do 15 is right here. Then we'll do this around. Oh my god. 10 plus 2, 12. 12? Oh. I just got 10 plus 2, 80. 80 which we don't have. We do have 32. A lot of 32. But to see if you're on the 6, you'll get on. You are fine. Out there. 12 out there. 16 multiplied to equal 32. 14 by 2 and this 5. 13, 15, 5. 26. What the? Okay. Doesn't matter. Yes. Oh my god! That scared the heck out of me. I just did it. 13 to the 26 with. Oh, we do have. Oh, we do? Yeah, that's it. Okay. So that. Okay. Then let's try the 20 which we don't have. Oh, we do have. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6. I didn't know with the train. 32, we don't have 32. 80. 6, we don't have. 5, 5. 10 plus 2, what? 12? Oh, 12. I just clear that off. Then this to 15, 15, now I can try. 36, come on, man, I just grew, okay. 10 multiplied 2, 20. Oh, oh! 6, go. 26. So if any ball touches this line, then the game is over. Do the 5. To the 6. Number 12. 20. Oh, we have all that in the family. Even we don't have it, but you have it. Oh, both are gone. I killed it, man. We're gonna take 16 plus 2. Okay. 18, we don't have 18. We have 32. We don't have 32 all here. 22, I do the 6, 3 plus 4, 5. Okay, I'm not gonna blow. The bundle right here. 10 plus 2, 12. 12. 12 is not there. But we do need 20. Yes, 5. 3 multiplied to 6. 6 is not there, but we do have 5. We have a whole one. Have it right there. Okay, 12. 12. Oh, yeah, damn. Damn. Let's do 5, 5, 5. I don't know, I love the 15. My god. 16 goes to 18. You don't have 32. And this is true. 12. 15. Don't have 15. Oh, we do have 15. Oh, can't fit it right there. I can't fit it right there. 26 here. If we multiply 2, we don't have 6. Do we have 5? Yes. Can I fit it? No. Just go ahead, man. Man? Man? Right there, but we made it, dude. There's 2, 15. It's right there. One more time to the hip and then onto this 9. Okay, 10 plus 2, 15. Oh, it's 5. I didn't know. And this one. Okay. I cannot pass this one. I'm clearing it. Oh, wow. These are all gone. Just 32. Okay, guys, I think it's done for today. Oh my god, I'm tired, man. Okay, I think we're done for today. So see you in my next Mangahigh video. So bye guys. See you in my next Mangahigh video. By the way, I need to show something that you already play Mangahigh and there's competition between Asia and South Africa and Mangahigh and my plus 5. That's something assigned. That's why I have assigned. And if you're in South Africa or Asia, so you can join me play. But if you're in South Africa, so you can get assigned. Or if you're in Asia, you can get assigned. Both of you will be in Asia. If your school is in this thing, or tell the school to join. If they don't, I don't know what to do. I don't know what should you do. But please play Mangahigh. You can play my list. That's great. Want to show you my leaderboard? There's mine. I'm first in classmates ranking, as you can see. That is me in telephone. I don't know where. But okay, bye.